So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and create your own lens on Snapchat. Now, this can be a lens, a filter, whatever you're trying to create. Now, it's a pretty basic process. And to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go and make your way over to your internet browser. Now, the website we're going to want to go to is basically the Snapchat for Business Lens website. So if you actually go ahead and type in, create Snapchat filter, you should be able to find the Snapchat Lens web builder. So find the Lens web builder, and this is how we can make our own filters. Now, the thing to keep in mind here is that it's a whole process of creating your filters. It takes a lot of time and effort if you want it to be. So I won't show you the creative aspect behind it, whatever, but this is the process in which you do it. So to first off, you do have to have like a business account within Snapchat. So it's really only made for like businesses and campaigns, people who are creating campaigns. So from here, you can see your Lens web builder is simple, fast, free. So you can go through here, read the rest of this process of what you want to do. But what you want to do is at the very bottom where it says Snapchat. Now, in order for you to create your own, your lens, you will have to do it within Ad Manager or Ads Manager. So what you can do is at the very bottom, click on Ads Manager, and it will take you into the ads.snapchat.com website. From here, you can log into your account and log into your Snapchat account. And within this page is where you can go through and you can start to create your Snapchat lens. So now that you're here, you should be able to find an option where it says, which organization are you working with today? I want to choose this one. And from here, I can go and start, choosing the specific one that I want to go ahead and actually start creating my lens with. But again, it has to be a business account. If you don't have a business account like me, it's just going to keep cycling through. But that's basically how you do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.